crafters, this is TendyTube. Today we are going to see a super special Mother's Day card which are handmade, and come on, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: ruler, foam sheet, chart paper, eraser, scissors, glue, pencil. Size of the chart is 15 into 12 cm and mark lines on 5 cm and 10 cm on the top side and 4 cm and 8 cm on the lateral side, and you need to cut the parts which are marked with symbol X. Then fold the chart as I shown on both sides. You need to cut the letters U, M, M, I and in heart shape. Add them on the chart with the help of a glue. Fold the top and bottom part like this. Then stick the letter as I show. Chart size is 11 into 11 cm and foam sheet size is 10 into 10 cm. Cut them into half. Then stick the heart with the chart like this by adding glue. The super amazing DIY handmade Mother's Day card is ready to surprise your mother. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.